MVF-5 is a fire robot used in complicated situations. The company from Croatia, DOC ING, has created a multifunctional robotic truck for work in life-threatening conditions. The remote control system allows you to monitor the operation of the machine at a distance of up to 1 mile, thus keeping the personnel safe. The robot has a tank for foam and water, as well as a gun barrel for extinguishing the fire. A rotating manipulator capable of removing objects weighing up to 2 tons and cutting wires is mounted in the front. In addition, there's a bulldozer bucket for raking up blockages weighing up to 10 tons. Remote control is allowed by 6 cameras protected from heat and mechanical damage that can work in reduced visibility. The machine, which is equipped with an explosion protection system and is heat resistant, is successfully used to extinguish industrial fires. Bulldog Extreme. How and How Tech demonstrated the concept of an off-road fire truck constructed on the basis of the Bulldog International all-wheel drive truck. The novelty has 54-inch militaristic tires and a clearance of 25 inches, which allows it to get to hard-to-reach places. The designation of this brutal truck is to extinguish forest fires. The truck can rake up blockages or drag itself to hard-to-reach places using a winch with a force of 14 tons. Firefighting is conducted with the help of water cannons that can throw out 977 gallons of water per minute. On board, there are tanks with a capacity of 1,981 gallons, which the machine can empty in 2 minutes at a pressure of 100 to 150 psi. The vehicle can be filled both with water and foam. A subdivision of such vehicles is capable of promptly extinguishing a serious forest fire. Rosenbauer Panther is an unprecedentedly powerful fire truck. A company from Austria, Rosenbauer Group, announced the launch of the 5th generation of the Panther truck. The new generation is built on 2 types of wheelbases, 6x6 or 4x4. Cars are striking with a futuristic look, enhanced functionality, and increased power. The vehicle is characterized by the increased level of safety. There are signal LEDs installed along the perimeter and additional side airbags in the cabin. The cabin itself has an overview of 360 degrees, as it is made of impact-resistant and fire-resistant glass. The durability of the truck has been assured by numerous crash tests. The truck is equipped with a 750 horsepower Volvo engine, allowing it to drive in complete off-road conditions. The Panther is equipped with a telescopic water cannon controlled by an onboard computer, which enables the extinguishing of fire accurately and efficiently. You can take on board 3,011 gallons of water, 396 gallons of foam, and 959 pounds of powder mixture. The pump is incredibly powerful. It throws out 2,350 gallons of water per minute. Hawaiian Eagle is the fastest fire truck in the world. Hawaiian Eagle was created on the basis of the good old 1941 firefighting Ford. The car was designed by the enthusiast Shannon Seidel, who was excited about the idea of creating the fastest fire engine in 1995. To achieve the record speed of the truck, he installed Rolls-Royce jet engines with afterburning thrust of 5,000 pounds. It was required to remove the water tank in order to install the engines. The main issue was to figure out how to stop the truck after accelerating it to the speed of a jet aircraft. Combining huge brake discs and 2 brake parachutes has become a good solution. There is no other way to stop the truck at a speed of over 372 miles per hour. Big Wind is a fire tank with aircraft engines. An original concept for extinguishing oil fires created by Hungarian engineers in 1991 still has no analogs. Externally, the truck resembles a strange custom car from the Mad Max movie. Its prototype was the T-34 tank, which has 2 jet engines for the unusual fire extinguishing system. 6 water-fed nozzles are located exactly above the engines and are capable of supplying up to 132 gallons per minute. The nozzle disperses water at an incredible speed, turning it into a storm of steam, instantly extinguishing the most hard-to-fight fires. For your information, oil fires cannot be extinguished any other way. F-112 HLA. In Finland, a record-breaking auto-hydraulic lifter for rescue operations and firefighting in high-rise buildings was designed. It is capable of operating at an altitude of up to 367.5 feet. Despite record-setting, the lifter was created purely for practical use. The boom of the lifter can be bent at a height of 295.3 feet at a right angle. At the same time, the basket for people protrudes by 82 feet for access to difficult places. The boom is able to turn around in just 40 seconds. The boom extension is controlled by an onboard computer that outputs real-time information to an interactive display. The lift is mounted on a Mercedes-Benz Actros 7660 truck with 7 axles, with 5 of them being steering axles and another 4 driving axles. The engine is installed at the rear of the driver's cabin, which allowed it to fit into the 157-inch height. Also on board, there is a powerful pump that supplies water through the built-in boom line at a speed of 1,003 gallons per minute. Guys, thanks for watching. If this video was interesting, please support me with your likes, comments, or reposts on your social media platforms. This will be of great help for the channel. Don't miss the next video. See you then.